Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I am Joy Eto. Today I am going to be showing you how to make chicken pepper soup with semi-ripe plantain. Sounds delicious? Then please click the subscribe button and be a part of this family while we get straight into the recipe. So for this dish, you're going to need, of course, some chicken. Use any part of chicken that you fancy and just cut them up into bite sizes. And then we're going to go straight to season our chicken with some diced onions, some salt, and of course, seasoning cubes. We're going to cover this and allow it to boil in its own juice for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're going to add in some water to it. This just helps to amplify the flavor of the chicken. So now that the chicken has been boiling in its own juice, we're going to go ahead and add in some water. Pepper soup is a broth dish, meaning it has a lot of water or broth in it. So you need to add a lot of water, as much as you want or as little as you want. To that, we're going to be adding some pepper soup spice. This you can get to buy in any market in Nigeria, supermarkets, or any African shops if you don't live in Nigeria. Also, I'm going to be adding some ground red pepper. Add as much pepper as you can tolerate. I like my pepper soup really spicy, so I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of ground pepper to that. We're just going to mix and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes before we continue with the rest of the ingredients. While it has been cooking for about 10 minutes, we're just going to stir and give this a taste to make sure that everything is right. The salt, the seasoning, the peppers, everything is right. And then we're going to go ahead to add some roughly blend red pepper. This is completely optional if you cannot tolerate heat, but I definitely wanted this in my pepper soup. And if you like it spicy, then please go ahead and add some roughly blend red peppers to it. This adds to the flavor and to the taste as well. It's been raining a lot in Nigeria and this is just perfect for the weather. If you're still watching and you're not yet subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button and be a part of this family. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead to add in some semi-ripe plantains and allow this to just come together and cook for about 10 minutes. After which I am going to add in some scent leaves. This is the final part of making pepper soup. This adds to the flavor and to the taste as well.